Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best baby heartbeat monitor is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for expecting parents, offering a unique and intimate way to connect with your developing baby before they even arrive, allowing you to capture those precious first kicks and flutters and share them with loved ones, creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Number 5. BABYGO 4-in-1 Pregnancy Support Belt. Introducing the BABYGO 4-in-1 Pregnancy Support Belt, your essential companion throughout your pregnancy journey. It's designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support when you need it most. This versatile belt effectively relieves back, pelvic, and hip pain, including SPD and PGP. Experience soothing relief and move with greater ease during this special time. It's not just for pregnancy. This supportive band is also ideal for postpartum recovery, helping your body heal and regain strength. Feel supported as you adjust to life after birth. As a special bonus, you'll receive a comprehensive 40-page book. It's packed with valuable information to help you prepare for labor and recovery. Designed for maximum comfort and confidence, this belt allows you to focus on enjoying your pregnancy and embracing motherhood. Invest in your well-being with BABYGO. What we like. This offers comprehensive support for your entire pregnancy journey and postpartum recovery. If you're experiencing back, pelvic, or hip pain, or looking for a complete guide to birth and recovery, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's lightweight and fits comfortably under or over clothes without being so bulky that it's a distraction either way. In fact, when worn under clothes, people can't tell I'm wearing one. It provides the perfect amount of support for my growing belly. It supports your back and holds your belly together. Number 4. Pearhead Belly Casting Kit. Capture the unique shape of your growing belly with this easy-to-use kit. It's a fun and simple way to commemorate your pregnancy journey. This kit provides everything necessary for creating your keepsake. It includes plaster tape, lubricant, gloves, and clear instructions for a smooth process. Personalize your cast to match your nursery or even use it as a guest book at your baby shower. It's a wonderful way to involve loved ones. This makes an ideal gift for expecting mothers or a thoughtful present for Mother's Day. It's a keepsake that will be treasured for years to come. All the components are neatly packed in a compact box. This makes it easy to store or wrap as a beautiful gift for new parents. What we like. This allows you to create a lasting memory of your pregnancy. If you want a unique, hands-on way to commemorate your baby bump and create a personalized piece of art, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The cast kit was easy to use. Entire process takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes, including cutting the strips and drying on your body before it's hard enough to take it off. This belly cast kit was perfect. Took only about 30 to 40 minutes to complete. It's quite messy, but it comes with everything you need. It works very well and we did not have a problem doing so. It can get messy, so having something to catch whatever falls would be recommended. My kid is now 4 years old and I still have my pregnant belly mold in perfect shape. Number 3. Pregnancy Belly Support Band, Baby Blue, size L. Discover the ultimate comfort during your pregnancy. This band is designed to provide gentle support where you need it most. Alleviate back discomfort with our specially designed support band. It offers targeted relief, making your pregnancy journey more comfortable. Experience superior belly support throughout your pregnancy. It's a must-have for expecting mothers seeking relief and comfort. This band is crafted to adapt to your changing body, providing a snug yet comfortable fit. Enjoy enhanced stability and reduced strain. Available in a beautiful baby blue and size L, it combines practicality with a touch of style. Feel supported and confident every day. What we like. This provides essential support and comfort during pregnancy. If you need gentle yet effective belly support to alleviate discomfort and improve posture, this is a great everyday solution. What people say. This band has been a lifesaver for my pregnancy and I highly recommend it if you are having any pain or discomfort in the low back or hip joints. For running, it has straightened my posture and picked my belly off my hips and I feel virtually no pain anymore. I noticed that before I used to feel like my belly very low and would walk like a penguin lol. Now I can move better and I don't feel that hurtful pain in my pelvis. I love it because it's adjustable and you don't even have to wear it so tight and it helps. I highly recommend this belly band for the extra support in back and pelvis. This belly band helps so much. I wear this belly band with activities such as laundry, dishes, or cooking. I also wear it every time I go on evening strolls. Number 2. Wavhello BellyBuds Baby Bump Headphones. Experience the joy of sharing music with your baby during pregnancy. These innovative headphones are designed to safely deliver sounds directly to your little one. Create a special connection by playing your favorite music, soothing sounds, or even your voice. It's a wonderful way to interact with your baby before they are born. Designed with your baby's delicate hearing in mind, they ensure a safe and gentle listening experience. You can relax knowing you're providing a nurturing environment. Simply attach them to your belly and let the melodies begin. They are comfortable and easy to use, making your pregnancy journey even more special. Looking for a thoughtful gift for an expecting mother? These headphones offer a unique and heartwarming way to celebrate the miracle of life. In a stylish green color, they are as fashionable as they are functional. Enjoy this beautiful bonding experience in comfort and style. What we like. This enables you to share music and sounds with your baby in the womb. If you're looking for a way to bond with your unborn child through gentle music or soothing sounds, this is a wonderful option. What people say. It's a great way to hear your baby's heartbeat. The device is easy to use and provides clear sound. I love that I can record the heartbeat and share it with my partner. Number 1. Sensu Pro Baby Monitor. Introducing the Sensu Pro Baby Monitor, designed for your baby's better sleep. It easily clips onto their diaper to track breathing, movement, and temperature. Unlike traditional monitors, it detects the cause of discomfort, like slow breathing or tummy sleeping, providing faster and more reliable alerts. If no abdominal movement is detected, it gently vibrates to wake your baby. If issues persist, it sends audible alerts and smartphone notifications. This smart monitor works on its own or with our award-winning app. Check your baby's wellness data and customize alerts right from your phone. With a simple clip-on design, it's perfect for home or travel. Enjoy over 7 days of monitoring on a single charge. Gain valuable insights into your baby's sleep patterns with detailed cycle reports. Understand their sleep quality for more restful nights. Utilizing safe Bluetooth low-energy technology with negligible radiation. It's also FSA/HSA approved for your convenience. What we like. This offers advanced monitoring for your baby's sleep and well-being. If you prioritize peace of mind with detailed sleep insights and reliable alerts for breathing, rollover, and temperature, this is the smart choice. What people say. The app works very well. We have experienced no glitches at all. The beeping sound is loud enough to hear, but soft enough that it can just give the back of your mind that peace that you are monitoring your baby. It is not a disruptive beep. This is great for any parent who room shares, anyone who really needs the portability. For example, if you frequently stay at hotels, you just clip the monitor on the baby and turn the app on. No complicated setup with cameras and wires and under mattress sensors. This is easy to use. Clip it on the diaper. Its battery lasts for days. When Nanit can only help you at night and Owlet can only help you so long, this thing laps them with days and days of battery life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.